Hey YouTube, today I'm going to do the Raider Test Fire. So, look over there, cameraman. Look over there. So you can see this is the Raider. The first shot. Second shot. That was the Rapid. Okay, this is the Raider. And, okay, let's go find the dots. The first dart, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth one is here. It's the kind of the most powerful one. It's the second most powerful. Yeah, thank you, and bye YouTube.